Owl's Nest today here in Malmesbury. We're just testing out the Epic a bit. We're shooting about 100 meters, just something fun. And yeah, let's see how it performs today. Cool. So we're shooting with 30 grain slugs, nothing too special. But I must say, especially if it's not the gun, that's one thing I can say is special. All right, we got a very interesting gun here today. We've got a Epic 2. So this is a tube version of it. This is a 7mm barrel tensioned rifle that is extremely light, extremely smooth. I can't express anymore. It's probably one of the coolest cocking actions I've ever felt, and it just looks good. So we're going to take this out to 100 meters. Let's see how it does. Okay, cool. There we go. That was quite nice. So we have it just a bit left of the bull, and they are quite tight. I'm not going to lie to you, that is quite tight. Obviously, I'm not the best that there is, so for me, I'm very impressed with that. Cool. Right, guys.